video. Today is February 18, and if you saw my last video, how much money I have made on trading options, I mean, I made good money yesterday. So let's get into a little bit more options. So right now, I actually bought a few more. I bought Verizon. As you know, Verizon made me some money, but I think it has to go down. I mean, it went up, so now I'm predicting that the market is going to go down, and so the contract I bought, it was a small contract. I bought 10 contracts for, I mean, they were low. They were 10 cents. So I bought for $100. I bought 10 contracts, predicting that the price of Verizon, which is at $56.90, is gonna drop down to $56 by February 19, which is tomorrow. So now it's a little risky. I mean, I just figured, you know what? It's only $100. If I lose it, no big deal. But if it could go down 91 cents, which is going down right now, just slightly, chances are I might hit this contract. So, but again, if I lose it, no big deal. So let's go back to my portfolio. I also have, I'm holding Apple. I actually just bought Apple right now, and let's go down. And I paid $176 for this contract, for one contract, and my prediction is that the price will go to $130 by February 26th. Okay, so right now the price is at $128.89, and I'm hoping that it goes to $130, past $130 by next week. So that cost me $176. And I'm gonna go buy another one. I'm gonna search Walmart. As you know, Walmart just announced they came out with their earnings, and their stocks kind of went down. So if we look here, I mean they went. I mean today's was yesterday, February 17. It was $147, and it just dropped. I mean, it literally just dropped $10. So. I mean, it's Walmart. It has to get back up, you know? So that is what I'm going to predict now. I'm going to predict that Walmart's going to go back to over 140, which back up here, you know? So let's go ahead. I'm going to show you how to do this. So once you're on the stock market or the company you want to buy, you go here, trade options. And the first thing we want to do is change the expiration date. Again, we don't want this contract to expire tomorrow, so we're gonna change it to the 26th. So that gives us a week. So that's gonna give us a week that we're predicting that's gonna go back to 140. Again, it's only 139.09 right now, so it did go down 5%. But again, it has to go back up. Well, at least that's what I'm hoping, to at least 140. So we're gonna go ahead and buy this contract. Each share is at $1.51. Remember, you have to buy 100 in order for this to execute this contract. So let me continue here. Give me 1 second here. We're gonna continue. All right. So one contract is gonna cost me $151. Okay. So I'm thinking of buying more. I'm just debating. So, all right, I'm going to put two. I'm going to buy two contracts for $300. So I'm going to spend $300 right now and hopes that by next week, Walmart is past the 140 strike price. Okay, so again, we're down 94 cents. Well, I mean, it keeps moving, but 94 cents. So I'm hoping that it's going to go back up 94 cents by next week. And if we do that, we're going to make some money. Again, if you remember, yesterday was at 147. So if it jumps back to 147 by next week, we're going to make some good money. So I'm going to go buy two contracts for $300. So let me go ahead and buy it. Okay, so we're going to submit. Oh, look, it keeps going down, so not bad. All right, let me submit it before it keeps going up now. All right, here we go. All right, done. We got it. So we got it. Here's the contract. We're going to go ahead and close this, hit done. And we're going to go back to our portfolio. and you're gonna see it right here. So, and we click on it. As you can see, I mean, the numbers hasn't kicked in yet, but this is the contract we bought, and let's hope that we get to 140. I mean, the break even is 141, which again, I could see this going up. It was just a trend, you know, for what happened today. So I'm trying to go back here. Oops, let me go back. Okay, so we go back to Walmart, and by the way, I sold all my Dogecoin. I mean, I've been losing money on it. It went back up again today. It went up. When I was looking at it, it was up to almost 30% up. So I was like, you know what? I might hold just a little tab. What if it hits that 7 cents? But it didn't. It just dropped. That's what I get for being greedy. So it dropped. Now it just, I mean, that dropped to 5 cents. So from 30% increase, now it went down to 12. I said, screw it. I'm just gonna cash out. So I cashed out my Dogecoin, and so the next one I'm gonna be cashing out pretty soon. It's Sundale Growers. I mean, man, they were doing so good, but I don't know what happened, man. It just went down. So I have a contract right now with them for 5 contracts that I was hoping that it will go to $3 by March 5th. So I'm just gonna hold on to it and hope that it goes back to $3 by March 5th. If not, no big deal. I mean, we'll lose a couple bucks. I mean, this is part of the game. Now I do have about 198 shares. I bought at 202, and again, it's to 158, so I'm down. So if I cash out now, I think I walk away with like 300 and change. So I'll lose like $85. So I don't know. I might sell this by the end of the day, just so I could recover some of my money. But other than that, I mean, we did good yesterday. So these are all the current options I have. So make sure you hit the like and subscribe to my channel. I really, really appreciate it if you subscribe. Again, I'm going to be teaching you more about trading options as I continue to learn. I want you to learn as well. So, and you can learn from my mistakes. So thank you. And again, hit the subscribe button.